Welcome back to my channel. This is Coin Code. I am DMO. Some hours ago on my Telegram community, I dropped a poll regarding a new blockchain gaming platform where you can earn $50 to $150 per day playing games. And all these games are very easy to play. And from the poll result, you can see that people requesting for this video won on the voting section. So on that note, I'm going to show you how you can make between $50 to $150 by just playing blockchain games. And also, I'm going to share some secret information on how you can get every game right, up to 70% accuracy. But before I proceed, you need to know that content like this takes a lot of time to make and a lot of effort to put together. So the only sacrifice you are paying is to make sure you like this video and make sure that you have subscribed to get more informative and educative content like this. And make sure you are already on my Telegram community to get quick updates and engage with new members. So now let's move. This platform is an online gaming platform and it is known as Yebet, which you can find the link on the video description below. Now Yebet offers some series of games from the fair game to slot game and to live casino, whereby you'll be playing directly with another person. And I've been using this platform since the day I found it, where I've been able to make $80 from a $100 deposit in the last 24 hours. Now for me to show you how to use this platform, first of all, you just have to click the link on the video description below. Then it will take you to this section for you to create an account on Yebet. All you just have to do is to input your email at that section that says example@yebet.com. Then after that, input a password by which you will use to log into your account. Then click on join us. Or if you already have an account, you just got to put it on the sign in tab. Then input your email and your password. Then click on this option that says let's go. Then wait for it to load up and automatically it will take you to your dashboard. Basically, this is the dashboard of every user, you understand? But by the time you click on this avatar at the top right, it will take you to your profile and your personal information. And by the time you click on this menu tab at the top left, it will take you to the subsection whereby you can easily access all the games, from the fair game to the slot to the live casino and also to your favorite and your recent. Just as you can see, these are all my recent games that I've played on this platform. And from the review from Trustpilot, you can see that Yebet has 3.9 out of 5 as rating. And all the games on this platform are provided by 7 companies, which are all available at the middle part of your dashboard. And below the game providers, you will see the biggest, which is the section that shows the user with the highest win in the last 24 hours and also the winner in the last 7 days and the winner in the last 30 days, just as you can see. There are also more information on this platform that you need to know. So in general, this platform works in a way of gambling. And before I show you how to play all the games, first thing you need to do is to make a deposit, which can be done by depositing either USDT, BNB, TRX, or even your local fiat, which is your country currency. And there are over 30 currencies where you can deposit from. So I suggest to deposit either Tron or USDT or any sort of crypto at all. So by doing that, you have to click on this option that says deposit, and then it will take you to this section whereby it will show the type of currency or the type of crypto you want to deposit. So you just have to select it. If it is BNB, then you just got to click on BNB, you understand? Or you click on change to another currency. You can see that I already have 180 USDT on my balance, so you just got to select the one at which you want to deposit. Then you select the network, either TRC20 or BIP20 or the network that is available. And after that, you just got to copy this address that shows up on your screen. Then you send. If it is TRX, it is a minimum of 24 TRX, although the minimum depends on the kind of crypto, you understand? So you just got to select crypto that suits you. Now, one cool feature about this platform is that you can actually get 10% bonus from your deposit, you understand? That means if you deposit $100, you're going to get an extra 10%, which is like an extra $10 as bonus, and everything is being done easily by you. Now after depositing, the next thing to do is to play games. While playing games, you can select from either of these 3 sections of the game, which is either the fair game, the slot, or the live casino. Now on the fair games, you can see that there are 7 different types of game, you understand, which is the roulette, crash, classic ice, lucky roller, mines, ELO, fruit bomb, you understand? This other option will be coming soon, which is the wingo. So by the time you click on the first game, which is the roulette, it will take you to the game interface, whereby you will select the stone that will show up after this countdown, just as you can see. So when you select them, if you select win 14, by the time it shows up on that option, you can see that it is like 14x of your money. And by the time you click on this pink gem, if it stops at that pink roulette, it means that you have double your money, which is a 2x. Also, if you click on this blue one that says 2x, that is how you are going to double your money. And remember, you cannot just use your entire balance. So for you to enter this game, you just got to input the amount at which you want to use. You can see that the minimum is 0.001 USDT and the maximum is $615. So let me say I want to place a game for $5, so we just got to input the amount. Before the game starts at this countdown, I just got to select the gem that will come out. Let me say, for the sake of this video, let me go for this pink gem that shows 2x. So I just got to click it. Now you can see that bet success. I can also open multiple options. You can see that $10 have been removed from my money. So you can see that I've already won $10, you understand? So that means I've automatically gotten my money back. You understand my point? And one thing about this platform is that the moment the game stops, you are getting your money directly in your balance, or the money is moving out from your balance, you understand? There is nothing that you are waiting for like 2 to 3 minutes or 4 minutes. Everything is done within seconds, just as you can see. Now moving to the next game on the fair game section, which is the crash. So I just got to select crash, you understand, which is the second game, then wait for it to load up. Although I've not been able to understand this game very well because I don't normally play it, but you can see that it has two sections, which is the manual and the auto, and you can just play around and also put the amount at which you want to. So you can also try it out, but make sure that you have understood this game. Now the next game on the fair game section is this classic dice, which is like the Ludo game you popularly know, you understand? Now this is one of my favorite game because at this countdown you're going to select the number that will come outside, you understand? If you select 2, which is 2 bets, you understand, by the time this 3 number comes out, you might be lucky to be the winner, and with that you can actually double your money that you used to play this game. So on that note, let me just say I want to use $5, you understand? But before then, you can see that the minimum is 0.01 USDT and the maximum is 2,181 USDT. So let me say I want to use $5, then click it, then I'll select my bet. Let me say 4. You can see that this round have been ended, so I just got to wait for it to start. Now you can see that within the 15 seconds you have to make your bet, and you can see that people are already making bets. So let me just click on 4, then you will see that I've entered an order of 4, you understand? So by the time 4 comes out, you can see that I'm already at loss because the 4 I choose did not come out. Although I'm just trying to be fast, but I believe you already understand the concept. Now the next game is this lucky roller, so you just got to click on it, then wait for it to load up. Now the way this game works is that you are going to select random number, you understand? So for you to put numbers like this, you can just click on this option that says random, and when you look on the chances, you can see that the chances is 43.9% and also the payout is 2.1%. So, and below the random number, you can see that there is 2 options that says lower and higher. So by the time you click on lower, you can see that by the time this roulette will roll up, the number that will come below this number, that chance for that number to come is 56%, you understand? And by the time you put it on higher, it means that the chance for a number to show up on this good luck roulette box is 43%. So on that note, I just got to input the amount at which I want to use. I'm just trying to show you how this game is played, you understand? So you just got to put the amount, let me say 5 USDT. Then I just got to click on spin. So you just got to wait for it to load up. And you can see that the number is lower. Now, how which I put it on lower, that is when I win this roulette, you understand? So let me shoot for another random number again. Now you can see that I won, you understand? You can see that because I already calculated the number, that since the random number is starting with 7, that means from 7 to 9 is just 2 numbers, and from 1, that which is from 0 to 7 is like another 8 number, which means there is higher chance for a number less than 7 to show. That's why I put it on lower before clicking on this option that says spin. You understand? That is just how the game is played. Although first of all you need to understand it first, but I believe that you have already understood it. Now this classic dice and this lucky roller are basically my 2 favorite games which I used to make money on this platform, because that are the 2 games I understand most. Now the 5th game on this fair game section is this game that says Mind. Although this game I don't really understand it very well, but you can just play around it to understand it before using it. Now looking at the 6th game, which is the ELO, you just got to click on it, then wait for it to load up. I don't really understand this game, but I think if you can understand poker, then this game is a nice one for you. Now the last game that is available currently is this Fruit Bomb, so you just got to click on it. Now this game, before this countdown hits 0, you just got to select the fruit that you know that will show up, you understand. You can see that people are already selecting it, you understand. So by the time this thing starts spinning, if it's landed on the fruit that you selected, you are going to earn according to the number of that fruits, you understand. Now that is just that for the fair game section. So by the time you scroll down, you will see slots, which you can also check around. And also these games you can also play with real life people, you understand. And that also applies to this option that says live casino, where you can play with another person directly. So in conclusion, this platform works as a gambling platform, you understand. And you know that on gambling there are only 2 ways: either you win or you lose. And the way I see this game, they are very fair, you understand. So you just got to use the money that you can afford to lose, you understand. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. So after playing games on this platform and you want to withdraw your profit, you just got to click on this option that shows deposit. Then first of all, you just got to select the crypto at which you want to withdraw from. Let me say USDT. Then on this option that shows deposit, you just got to put it on withdraw. Then it will take you to this section whereby it will request for your address, either in TRC20 network or BIP20. So on TRC20, you just got to put your USDT address, then put the amount that you want to withdraw. The minimum is 3 USDT, just as you can see. So after inputting the amount, you just have to click on this option that shows confirm. But for the sake of this video, I don't want to withdraw anything. And with that, within few minutes, you will get a withdrawal directly to your account. So that is just basically how this platform works. And this platform is very easy to use. So if you have any question, you can write me on Twitter at simply_DMO, where you will get reply instantly. And also use the comment section for your compliment and questions. And make sure that you have liked this video. And as well, make sure that you're already on my Telegram community, as this will be it for this video.